Are you having any trouble with your current milling application? Are you looking for any improvements in efficiency and tool life with only one cutter body? Are you looking to downsize in your current tool list?
Hello, Byron here letting you know that WEZ is Sumitomo's most versatile 90-degree shoulder cutter. WEZ can do up to 9 milling applications which go beyond facing, shouldering, and side milling. Let's take a look at the other applications that we can achieve with WEZ. WEZ is aggressive in its ramping capabilities due to the improved stability which come from the pocket design and the insert sharpness. The rake angle combinations give WEZ exceptional chip control in full radio engagement applications, where chip flow is very important. We can plunge with both insert sizes. Please make sure to not exceed the plunge limits. Next, we will generate a hole from solid with lower cutting forces. We can also utilize WEZ for trochoidal milling and generation of counterbores on existing holes, all with lower cutting forces. So with that said, WEZ can certainly help you reduce the number of tools required for your next tooling setup. Please consider WEZ for your next application. Until next time, thank you.